The Crosse County Health Department has collected a staggering amount of needles in just a 3-week period.
More than 9,000 used needles have already been dropped off in 2 disposal boxes that were just recently installed in the city. News 8's Eric Jacobson has a closer look at the numbers.
The latest numbers from the Crosse County Health Department show the newly installed disposal boxes are taking thousands of needles off the streets.
Between the 2 boxes, we have collected approximately 9,500 needles, and that equates to about 85 pounds of syringes and sharps.
The needles are coming from a variety of uses.
We can tell the difference between the kinds of needles that are coming in, so we know that they're coming in from both types of use.
The biggest takeaway from the early data indicates that many people didn't have a place to dispose of their needles properly.
They're coming in bags, not in hard plastic containers. We would never want those to be disposed of outside of a hazard sharps container. So that's exactly what these boxes are for, is to help us to collect all of those needles that no one knows where to put otherwise.
The La Crosse Fire Department has been in charge of collecting needles since 2014. The number of responses has dropped in the short time since the boxes were installed.
We've only had 4 responses for needle pickups in that 21-day time period, which averages out to about 0.2 per day. In that same time frame a year ago, in that same 21-day period, we had 23 responses, which averages out to about 1 a day.
It's good news, but the fire department says it's not enough data.
Usually generally look at that over a longer period of time for our hard data. But on the short term, in the very quick look at it, very encouraging numbers.
For the health department, the number shows the boxes have already been a helpful resource.
It's a great way for us to get them off of our streets, out of our community, into a place where they can be disposed of properly.
Reporting in La Crosse, Eric Jacobson, News 8.
The needle disposal boxes are located in the King Street alley near downtown La Crosse and also near the boat landing behind the Hardee's on the north side of La Crosse. The health department says that if these numbers continue, they may look into more boxes in other locations.